'Tis the season to be jolly, right? Of course it is, but you're not gonna be jolly if you're crying. And one thing that can make us cry is this thing. Oh yeah, we love the onion. Onion is amazing because it goes with celery and also bell peppers. We call it the trio, especially around the holidays. But most of the time, onion makes us cry. So I normally cut off the ends like so. It makes it a lot easier to peel. And then peel back the layers. Take half of this and cut it like so, okay? So this is a bit time consuming and already, I'm gonna ruin my makeup. How can I be jolly when I'm crying? Guys, this is not the best way to cut onions. Tip number one, this makes you cry and it takes too long. So what I like to use is a mandolin cutter. So very easy, very quick. I'm going to julienne this onion and it's not gonna make me cry. It's very simple, very quick. Now this is how we do it. We work smarter and not harder. We're not trying to cry during the Christmas holiday season. Use the mandolin cutting board. It does all the work for you. And it's tear-free. Merry Christmas.